Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sabrina and today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be actually doing look at my eyes simply because I just had a very irritated eye since yesterday. So what I'm going to be doing, this is slightly different. I'm going to be reviewing, well, not so much a review, but swatching, just talking through these remote wonder swipes. I don't know if you can see them properly, but I'm just taking away. Can't. Basically, they're wonder swipes. They're 2-in-1 liner to shadow, and they're like a glittery, shimmery, metallic-y kind of look, and they come in these pretty shades. I think I've got all of them, but don't quote me on that. I may have missed one. It's really weird because this one's sealed up and the rest ain't, but maybe these are open or something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna start from my favorite color. I'm sure I had a blue one in this too. I must have used that. But okay, the first one is the purple one, and this shade is called Cool AF 010, and it's a nice purpley kind of color. I'll keep it here. Wow, that just wasn't a straight line, was it? So that's the purple shade. Yeah, this is a lot better. That's the purple shade, and if I just smudge it off, then you can just easily turn that into shadow, like just a shimmery kind of color. It's really good for, like, I don't know if you can see the shimmer there though, but in real life you can see a lot, and there's a lot on my finger. The second color is the pink one. And this one's called Mega Hottie. This describes me well, just kidding. But anyway, let's do that one. I don't think I'm going to smudge them because they don't look really nice smudged. Like, so damn pretty. What do you think, guys? What do you reckon? I think I'm going to swatch them on my hand and then put them up because I just can't swatch that way. Sorry guys, I'm still learning. Okay, second colour is actually a very pretty colour, and I was in two minds when I bought this. It's called So Savage. I don't know, something like that. But anyway, that's the bronzy kind of colour, very pretty. Let me just go over the purple one. It's like, it seems blue on there, but it's actually purple here. Maybe I'm just colorblind. I don't know. Next is the gold one. This is called Insta Famous. Wow, I love these names. Totally. Well, this is a really nice shade. I think I would really use this as a liner. Very pretty. I'm actually really impressed with these guys. The color payoff is just amazing. The next one is called Slay. I really like these names, by the way. They're just like kind of perfect for me. You know what? The consistency of all of them were the same apart from this one. This consistency, I don't know if you can see it, but it's really watery. Like, can you see the blob of like? That's really weird because the rest of them going on really well. Interesting. So that's called Slay. That's that one. Now this one, I'm going to have to flip it open. But this one's called Fashion, spelled F-A-S-H-U-N. Interesting. So it's opened in a weird way, guys. Anyway, let's try this consistency. So even this one's really good. It was just that one. And that's a nice charcoaly colour. And this one is called Fashion. I already said that. Silly Billy. Silly Billy. So these are the 6 shades that I've got. If I'm totally honest with you, I like the look of all of them. And I like the consistency of all of them. But that one, that middle one, like for some reason it just didn't apply really well. I don't know why, but yeah, that's the colour of them. And you know what, it's dried so well, like literally if I tap pink, like you can't get any on there. And if I tap the it's all dry. So I really like that. Another Rimmel product that I wanted to talk to you guys about is this Insta Famous. Oops, don't drop anything, Sabrina. This here. This Insta Famous. Insta Flawless, sorry, Insta Famous, something like that. To be honest with you, I didn't really want to pick this up, but I seen a YouTuber use it. And I thought, you know what, let me try this. And I put it on. I mixed it with my moisturizer, to be honest with you, because I just didn't want to apply it just like that. So I put it on with my moisturizer, and then I put my foundation on top. And honest to God, I was so impressed with this. Like, let me just take a bit out and show you. Like, it's just got a slight tint to it, but it was amazing. Like, it gave my skin such a nice dewy like look. Like, I was well impressed. I'm gonna do this here, like it's so nice, like literally, and it feels really good. Like, it's not sticky whatsoever. Like, it just applies really well. Like, and the shimmer, see, I've got really dry hands there, but can you see there, like that just looks flawless to me. And I'm gonna try using this with Rimmel foundation and see how it looks, but I really liked it. Another thing that I want to review for you guys right now, because I just can't wait, is this. I used this in my look the other day when I did a blue look, and honestly guys, like, Urban Decay is like one of my favorite brands anyway. I literally have nothing bad to say about them, but this palette is absolutely amazing. Like, it's not the first time I bought it, I've had it before, but I just wanted to talk to you guys that, you know what, if you want that extra pop of colour, and if you want that extra oomph to your eyes, you really need to get this palette. Like, literally, it's so beautiful. Let me just like quickly swatch a few shades. Like, look at that. Look how pigmented that is. And I really want to show you the blue, my favorite one. I'm gonna get another palette because I'm so scared that this is discontinued, and I'm absolutely in love. And the way this sat on my face, like, it was amazing. Like, it's literally my favorite palette with a pop of color. Like, I don't think I would go to any other palette to pick up, like, not even like I've got a lot of Morphe ones, but this one is, it's just mind-blowing. Let me just read what it says on the back of this packaging, by the way. It says, it's a colour addict's ultimate fix, a mind-blowing palette filled with 10 of the brightest, most amazing shades you've ever laid eyes on. That's true. Including 8 never seen before shades you won't find anywhere else, plus a double-ended brush. Choose from matte, satin and shimmer textures. From current exclusives, Chaos, the most highly coveted shade from the Vice palette, which, and by the way guys, it's me saying Chaos is a royal blue one, and Freak, which is a neon green, yeah, to Urban, metallic purple and Jilted. This palette has it all, and the colour payout insane. Our pigment infusion system delivers soft, creamy and blendable colour that lasts. And that's really true guys, because I bought a Maybelline palette not long ago, and it doesn't really, it's not pricey at all. Like, it was actually a reasonable price, but I was actually really disappointed because when putting on one of the shades, it was just so patchy and so chalky. Like, I just wasn't really impressed with it. And you know, if you're gonna go out and buy a palette, and if you buy it and you're really like looking forward to it, and then the color payout's just not good, like, it's actually really like frustrating. And I really like my makeup, so like, you know, I was actually quite disappointed. Like, I just didn't think that that palette would be like that, you know, when you just kind of get your hopes up. It was one of them kind of things. But yeah, I was really disappointed. But with this palette, honestly guys, like, literally one of the best palettes I've ever purchased. And look at that, that's just literally putting my finger once in like that. Like, and look at that green, that shimmery one. Like, this palette is so good, and it's so blendable as well. Like, literally, I loved it. Yeah, so I wanted to do a very different kind of video and tutorial for you, so I did that. I'm actually going to be doing a tutorial using my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, the Modern Renaissance. I'm actually really excited to use that. So please give this a video thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Any comments, please do leave them down below, and I'll see you next time.